Entrepreneurs, in this video, I bring you 18 incredible machines that you can buy directly from manufacturers in China or the United States at affordable prices to start your business in sectors like food, technology, and more. All these options are within your budget and have impressive potential to generate income. Let's start. Machine number 1, Blown Bottle Machine. The blown bottle machine is ideal for producing custom plastic containers for water, juices, oils, and cleaning products. With the boom in local businesses and mass consumption products, this machine offers a clear opportunity to become a container supplier for startups and small factories. The initial investment is accessible, and you can start a business offering custom containers in various sizes and shapes. You can sell individually or in large volumes to distributors and manufacturers of beverages or cleaning products. Approximate investment, $2,000 to $5,000. Machine number 2, T-shirt printing machine, Sublimation. This machine allows you to customize t-shirts and textiles with unique designs through sublimation. It's ideal for entrepreneurs looking to enter the fashion market, merchandising, and personalized gifts. You can work with companies, schools, events, and online stores, offering t-shirts with creative phrases, logos, or personalized images. With a low investment and economical materials, the profit margin is high, and you can start from home with limited space. Approximate investment, $200 to $2,500. Do you want to learn how to import these machines and any other product? I'll leave the link in the description so you can learn how to do it. Don't miss this opportunity. Machine number 3, Vacuum Packaging Machine. This machine is essential for businesses dealing with fresh and prepared foods, such as meats, cheeses, and ready-to-eat meals. It allows you to preserve products for longer and maintain their quality, which is highly valued in the gastronomic sector and organic markets. You can offer packaging services to small producers, supermarkets, or healthy food stores. With a low cost, the margins are high, and the business can expand quickly. Approximate investment, $200 to $800. Machine number 4, Zinc Sheet Manufacturing Machine for roofs. This machine is a perfect solution for entrepreneurs looking to enter the construction market. It allows you to manufacture zinc sheets for roofs with customized designs, ideal for homes, businesses, and industrial projects. With the growing demand for durable and economical building materials, you can become a key supplier for contractors, hardware stores, and direct customers. Additionally, this machine offers flexibility to adjust measurements and styles according to customer needs, giving you a competitive advantage. The business has a broad market in urban and rural areas, and you can grow quickly by serving both large projects and individual orders. Approximate investment, $2,000 to $6,000. Machine number 5, 3D Printing Machine. The 3D printer is a revolutionary tool that allows you to transform ideas into tangible products. With this machine, you can create prototypes, unique pieces, custom toys, decorations, or even functional parts for machinery. It is ideal for entrepreneurs in sectors such as design, architecture, education, and even medicine. The market for customization and innovative products is constantly growing, and this machine positions you to serve customers with unique needs, from small businesses to individuals. Moreover, with online platforms like Etsy or Amazon Handmade, you can sell your products globally. The initial investment is low, but the income potential is huge. Approximate cost, $300 to $1,000. Machine number 6, Crepe or Waffle Maker. This machine is the perfect tool to start a business in the fast food and dessert sector. It allows you to prepare crepes and waffles quickly and professionally, ideal for selling at fairs, markets, cafes, and events. Its versatility lets you offer personalized products with a wide variety of toppings, from fresh fruits and chocolates to gourmet savory options. With a low initial investment, you can create an attractive menu that appeals to customers of all ages. The business is easy to operate and scalable, with options to set up food trucks, mobile carts, or open a fixed sales point in strategic locations with high traffic. Additionally, the high demand for snacks and desserts ensures constant income and attractive profit margins. Approximate cost, $150 to $500. Machine number 7, Craft Paper Bag Making Machine. The production of craft paper bags is a booming business, thanks to the transition to eco-friendly products. This machine allows you to manufacture sturdy and personalized bags for stores, markets, and restaurants. You can position yourself as a key provider of eco-friendly packaging, selling your products in large volumes to businesses committed to sustainability. Approximate investment: $10,000 to $15,000. Machine number 8. Laser cutter. The laser cutter is an incredibly versatile tool that allows you to create personalized products in materials such as wood, acrylic, leather, glass, and more. With this machine, you can manufacture everything from decorative signs and furniture pieces to personalized gifts and promotional items. It is perfect for entrepreneurs looking to offer unique and high-quality products. The personalization market is booming, and with a laser cutter, you can serve niches such as home decoration, corporate gifts, crafts, and interior design. Moreover, thanks to its precision and speed, you can work on demand and ensure quick deliveries. The initial investment is moderate, but the potential for income and creativity is unlimited. Approximate cost: $700 to $2,000. Machine number 9. Fabric reusable bag making machine. This machine is ideal for producing eco-friendly fabric bags that replace plastic. Perfect for supermarkets, stores, and sustainable businesses, reusable bags are a high-demand product. You can sell wholesale to local businesses and offer custom designs for marketing campaigns. Approximate investment: $7,000 to $5,500. Machine number 10. Donut making machine. This machine is perfect for entrepreneurs looking to start a business in the fast food or bakery sector. It allows you to produce donuts automatically and with professional quality, speeding up production to serve fairs, cafes, markets, and catering services. With the boom in personalized products, you can offer donuts decorated with special themes for events, festivities, or as daily snacks. The business is easy to operate, has low production costs, and is highly profitable due to the high demand for this delicious product. You can start with a mobile sales point or a small shop and expand over time. Approximate investment: $300 to $1,600. Machine number 11. Screw and bolt making machine. This machine produces screws and bolts, essential in the construction and manufacturing industry. You can sell to hardware stores, contractors, and mechanical workshops. The business has high demand and recurrent orders, making it a secure and profitable investment. Approximate investment: $3,000 to $7,000. Machine number 12. Hamburger making machine. The hamburger forming machine automates the production of meat portions, allowing you to serve butchers, restaurants, and fast food businesses. With the rise of delivery and gourmet food, you can offer consistent and high-quality products, distinguishing yourself in the market. Approximate investment: $1,500 to $3,500. Machine number 13. Plant-based milk machine. This machine produces almond, soy, and oat milk, products in high demand in the healthy and vegan market. With this machine, you can offer fresh and natural milks to organic stores, cafes, and end customers. It is a profitable and sustainable business with low raw material costs. Approximate investment: $1,000 to $3,000. Machine number 14. Artisanal pasta making machine. The artisanal pasta making machine is ideal for those looking to enter the market of fresh and gourmet foods. It allows you to produce different types of pasta such as spaghetti, fettuccine, lasagna, or ravioli quickly and efficiently. Artisanal pasta is in high demand in specialty stores, Italian restaurants, and local markets that value fresh and high-quality products. With options for gluten-free, vegetable-based, or uniquely flavored pasta, you can easily differentiate yourself in the market. The initial investment is accessible, and with attractive packaging, you can create your own brand of premium pastas. Approximate cost: $100 to $1,500. Machine number 15. Grain milling machine. The grain milling machine is perfect for small entrepreneurs who want to offer fresh and natural flours. You can grind wheat, corn, rice, coffee, and other cereals, allowing you to create products like whole grain flours, ground spices, or artisanal coffee. This business is ideal for organic markets, health food stores, and local bakeries. The initial investment is low, and you can start at home, offering fresh products on demand, ensuring high profit margins with minimal raw material costs. Approximate investment: $300 to $1,500. Machine number 16. Nut butter and cream. Making machine. This machine allows you to produce natural butters and creams from peanuts, almonds, hazelnuts, or walnuts. Products highly sought after in the healthy and vegan market. Nut butters have high demand due to their nutritional benefits and versatility in cooking. You can offer natural, preservative-free, and customized products for health food stores, organic markets, and cafes. With a low initial investment and a good strategy for eye-catching packaging, you can create your own brand and sell both locally and online. Approximate cost: $500 to $1,500. Machine number 17. Custom cap making machine. The custom cap making machine is ideal for entrepreneurs looking to enter the accessories and merchandising business. It allows you to personalize caps with embroidery, prints, or logos, offering unique products for companies, events, sports teams, and more. With this machine, you can create eye-catching designs that stand out in the market, serving both small orders and large volumes. Custom caps are highly demanded in advertising campaigns, corporate gifts, and urban fashion businesses. This business requires a moderate initial investment, but offers high profit margins due to the ability to add value to such a popular product. Approximate cost: $800 to $2,500. Machine number 18. Paper cup making machine. The paper cup making machine is perfect for entrepreneurs interested in the market for disposable and sustainable products. It allows you to produce cups of different sizes, ideal for coffee, tea, cold drinks, and events, offering an eco-friendly alternative to plastic cups. With the growing demand for biodegradable and eco-friendly packaging, this machine positions you as a key supplier for cafes, restaurants, catering companies, and event organizers. Additionally, you can customize the cups with logos and designs, serving local brands and businesses looking to stand out with their image. The business has high growth potential, especially in a world increasingly committed to sustainability. The initial investment is accessible, and the return is quick, thanks to the high demand for such products. Approximate cost: $3,000 to $8,000. We have explored 18 incredible machines that could be the starting point for creating your own profitable business. Whether you want to enter the market for food, technology, or eco-friendly products, each of these tools offers a unique opportunity to succeed. Remember, all the links to learn more or import these machines are in the description. If this video inspired you, please like, share with other entrepreneurs, and subscribe to the channel. Activate the notification bell so you don't miss our next business ideas. Success is within your reach, and it all starts with one step. See you in the next video. Star.